Hey guys, Cafe 100 here. Today I'm playing some Texas Chainsaw Massacre. I'm sorry for not uploading for like a couple of months, but yeah. Now I've been recently playing this game for like maybe a couple of days. I'm still a little trash at it, but yeah. I'll see you guys when we get into a game. Alright. Finally got in the match. It took like a couple of minutes, but yep, win one. Now, we're all on my favorite map, the family house. But I don't know where any of the exits are. Like I said, I've been playing this game for like a couple of days, but I mean, I know where the exits are, just not all of them, I should say. Okay. Oh, I was close to making a lot of noise, huh? Where's Julie? What? Alright, this game is like really horrifying. I don't like this game. Well, I do. It's just. How is Grandpa already awake? That makes no sense. How is Grandpa already awake? I don't understand that. My teammates are loud. Too loud. I want to follow Julie.
Is this a way out?
I need to find a lock pick.
This is a nightmare.
Oh my god.
Okay.
Oh my god. Holy cow. No way. Oh crap.
I'm ready.
Oh, what the? I should have done this, but I'm gonna do it. And I'm gonna stick to it.
Might be able to use this.
What did I hear? Oh, Sissy's right there. What the hell? Whoa, what? Shit, I don't know. Come on. Alright. No, I don't know what I'm doing. Surely I can. Okay, thank God. Alright, never mind. Gotta cancel lock picking. I didn't know you could lock pick while Grandpa.
Must be a way out of here.
Alright, I don't know where this leads to, but oh wow.
I got this. Oh no. They're back.
Oh bro, I'm scared.
I think they're gone.
Bro, I don't know where to go. Okay, I'm just gonna stay here. Shit, I've got that lockpick. Oh, another room. I
don't like this much
this
quiet.
room. Okay. Why now? Why now? Why now? I'm in a horrible spot.
Just go away. Damn it. You won't leave.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, what you little big grandpa.
They're all over. Stay hidden. Keep it together, man.
Come on.
Hell yeah. Locked.
What? What? Where'd he go? Oh, there he is. Oh my god. I am scared so bad. Holy crap.
Look at this. Open doors with this.
Okay. Oh my god. Okay. Ooh, man. Oh no. Oh no. I wasn't paying attention. Oh no. Paying attention. I'm dead. Mate, man. I'm dead. I'm dead.
I gotta watch out.
Oh my god. Okay. I don't know what I'm doing, but yeah, I think I'm doing good. Oh, I'm dead. Oh my god, I'm not gonna make it. Open the door, man! I hate it. That is so bullcrap. Jesus Christ. Oh my god, that was hilarious. Oh my god, alright. Let's skip this. I can't believe I died, dude. Oh my god. Well, that's gonna be all today, folks. I'm probably gonna edit this tomorrow. Maybe head to bed. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.